Welcome to our latest video, Top 7 Small Cars with Big Price, where we explore the fascinating world of compact vehicles that come with a hefty price tag. In today's automotive landscape, small cars have become increasingly popular among urban dwellers and environmentally conscious drivers. However, some of these compact powerhouses are priced at a premium, and in this video, we'll uncover why. What to expect. In this video, we'll highlight 7 small cars that not only offer impressive performance and luxurious features but also command a high price in the automotive market. These vehicles may be small in size, but they are big on value, delivering exceptional performance, cutting-edge technology, and comfort that rivals larger MO. The top 7 small cars with big price. Mini Cooper S. We kick off our list with the Mini Cooper S, a stylish and sporty compact that combines unique design with exhilarating performance. Known for its agile handling and premium interior, the Mini Cooper S offers a fun driving experience and a wealth of features, making it a favorite among those who appreciate both style and substance. Audi A3. Next up is the Audi A3, a small luxury sedan that offers a perfect blend of performance and sophistication. With its refined interior, advanced technology, and impressive driving dynamics, the A3 is a standout in the compact segment. This car proves that you can have luxury in a smaller package without compromising on quality. BMW 2 Series. Our third entry, the BMW 2 Series, is a compact coupe that delivers thrilling performance and a premium driving experience. With its powerful engine options and agile handling, the 2 Series is perfect for those who desire a sporty yet luxurious compact car. Its high-quality finishes and advanced technology further justify its price point. Mercedes-Benz A-Class. Moving on, we'll highlight the Mercedes-Benz A-Class, a compact car that has redefined luxury in the small segment. With its sleek design and cutting-edge technology, the A-Class offers an impressive array of features, including a high-resolution infotainment system and advanced safety technologies, making it a worthy investment for luxury buyers. Lexus UX. The Lexus UX takes the spotlight next, offering a stylish and compact crossover experience. Known for its exceptional build quality and comfort, the UX is packed with features that enhance both performance and convenience. Lexus's reputation for reliability and luxury adds further value, making this small SUV a top contender on our list. Porsche Macan. The 6th car on our list is the Porsche Macan, a compact luxury SUV that delivers sports car performance in a smaller package. With its powerful engines, agile handling, and luxurious interior, the Macan caters to those who crave an exhilarating driving experience without sacrificing practicality. Its premium pricing reflects its performance capabilities. Jaguar E-Pace. Finally, we wrap up our list with the Jaguar E-Pace, a compact SUV that combines style, luxury, and performance. With its distinctive design and a range of powerful engine options, the E-Pace offers a dynamic driving experience. Its high-end materials and advanced technology make it a popular choice for those seeking a luxurious yet compact vehicle. As we conclude our exploration of these 7 small cars with hefty price tags, we invite you to reflect on the value that comes with investing in a compact vehicle. While these cars may be smaller in size, they make up for it in luxury, performance, and technology, proving that good things come in small packages. We encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Which of these compact cars caught your eye? Are you surprised by any of the price tags? Your insights are important to us, and we love hearing from our viewers. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more automotive insights, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Join us as we continue to explore the ever-evolving landscape of the automotive world, where innovation and luxury meet in the most unexpected places.